2010.
Whoa, he got a haircut.
All right, guys, just have a seat right here. Well done, guys.
That's a lot of fun.
Yeah. I see my brother.
Get the good seats.
Leather maroon pants. I have to find a pair of those. No, I don't. I'm just kidding.
Sure, yeah, you're just kidding. Yeah, I know you're just kidding. God dang, all them seniors. When will they leave so we can take their place?
That's gonna be us. This time.
In 2 years. We have 2 years.
We got 2 years. A couple days off. But 2 years, roughly.
Yeah.
And we'll be good. Good to go, you know? Good to go in tango.
It's stuck. Wow.
Yeah. Not gonna fit all of them down there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what she said.
Oh, Josh. Josh.
And that's what he said.
Kelly's making sure it all goes according to plan, but it ain't gonna happen. I'm waiting to see my brother.
All right, seniors, start spreading yourselves out a little bit more. Seniors, you guys want to move up a bit so we get everybody in?
No, they're just gonna stay there.
Split right and left, seniors.
No, they ain't gonna. I can't see Samuel. Jesus, all the children.
They're stuck.
Yeah, they're getting stuck.
Seniors just coming through. Let's move quickly, right and left. Here we go.
I see Dawson. And Keating, his hair makes him obvious.
Who?
Keating,
Who's that?
the one with the hair, walking towards us right now.
This guy with
Oh, belch.
Oh,
Dawson! Sabrina.
talking to Brett. Oh my God, of all people.
Yes.
Yeah, that's like opposite ends of the spectrum right
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what's it? He swam with Chinook for like a tiny amount of time. Misha goes like this before, like sometimes he's gonna come back from prom and he's just gonna go, guys, I'm so fucked up right now. You would not believe it. So funny.
I was waving at Daniel, but he didn't see me.
I wasn't.
Well, maybe because you're not cool enough.
All right, spread it out a little bit so we get these seniors through.
I want a senior shirt. Like I want one. Like a snail pound shirt and a senior shirt. I really want one.
Nice.
Good dance moves, Atticus.
Oh,
Wait, where's Brianna?
Where's Smooch? Where in this sea of seniors?
Brianna? Brianna's over there.
All right, we're almost there, folks. Bear with us. Almost
You could
there.
have-
30 seconds and we'll
You could have had Atticus, but you didn't. I still have an empty place here where we could have gone to Bellevue. I can't have promise. I'll tell you after.
Jesus.
Okay, there was a funny joke going on.
It didn't happen.
I know. No, it didn't happen.
It didn't.
It didn't. That's what the
That's what I said.
All right, hurry up, guys.
He goes like this.
Okay.
He goes like this. If we do that, Josh, you're coming to buy a dress with me, of course. Of course, Brianna. We're getting a Belle dress. I'm like, what's
One
this
final
Belle?
thing
She was
to
like,
say.
Beauty and the Beast.
I see my
I'm like,
brother.
what's Beauty and the Beast? She was like, you don't know? It was so funny.
Okay,
I had to watch
we
Beauty
can
and
have
the
the
I see my
faculty and
brother.
staff, if you could go back to where you, to your seating area there.
There's
Staff and
Samuel.
faculty back to
In the blue.
your area. Okay, listen carefully. We're almost done here, guys.
Sam and his homies.
Okay. One final thing to the seniors, and then we're going to do the moving up piece.
Oh crap, we have to move.
Oh my
Let me
God,
quote,
we're gonna be
it's something
huge.
unpredictable. In the end, it's right. I hope you had the
I
time of
took
your
a
life,
fucking
folks.
rap.
Congratulations one more time. All right.
The fat
Here's the
senior
moving up.
class.
And I'm going to preface this with apologies to the freshmen.
many children?
Because the seniors are here and the balloons are there, you guys are going to have to stay where you are. But that's okay.
Oh! No, it's not.
Tomorrow,
Wow, you guys.
Sophomores.
Woo!
The class of 2012.
That's right!
Alrighty. Everybody stay with me for 10 seconds more.
No,
Okay, here's the deal. Here's the deal. It's now 3 o'clock. We're going to do what we call the senior video that the parents put together. It's not mandatory for the rest of the school to stay, although you're more than welcome to stay for the senior video. So if you want to leave, that's great. Thanks for coming. It's been a great assembly. Have fun, seniors.
That's right, Tyler. We are almighty. Oh yeah. We triumph. Oh yeah. Ah. No one wants to see that. Yeah.